Yo, before we get into this video, hit that notification button, man. Let's get it.
Before we get into this video, hit that bell, man, so you know every time I drop a video. Subscribe, comment, have any video suggestions, I'll do it. In today's video, what we're going to do is I'm talking about how long you should brush your hair. I'm really trying to help beginners, so if you intermediate or advanced, I'm sorry, man. I'm trying to get these beginners on point just like us. All right, man, let's get it. Yo, YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Marcel, man. As again, let's get it, man. We about to get into this video. Today, I'm about to show y'all how long y'all should brush y'all hair. Like, you don't have to brush it that long until it's like sore, but I'm about to show y'all. And today, I'm gonna be using my medium brush. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna speed it up taking this off, and then I'm gonna show y'all real quick what brushes I'm gonna be using. And then after that, get y'all right. Quick video, boot bop beat, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Alright, man, so y'all see it, got the waves out now. So the brush I'm gonna be using, I'm definitely gonna use the my medium brush. Right now my hair or my scalp is sore because I was hard brushing too much. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get that medium brush real quick. But I'm just showing y'all how the waves looking. Y'all can see how I'm looking. Trying to get back to how it was. I think I just broke that fork right there. So yes, sir. About to get it. Hold on, let me get you right. Get you boys right. So the brush I'm using right now is the it's by Royalty brush. It's a medium brush session. I said brush it. It's a medium brush. And again, the reason why I'm using this jump because my hair is sore. I went stupid yesterday, like on the brush session. So, all right. So I'm about to get y'all right. Hold on. We're gonna show how long you should be brushing your hair if you're a beginner waver. My suggestions are if you're a beginner and you really want your waves to come in, you want good connections and all that nice stuff, man, let's not be lazy, I'm not saying you are lazy, but let's put a little consistency in there. Let's do 45 to an hour brush session each single day. That's what you need to be doing if you really want your waves to be in there. If you want your waves to really be in there, you gotta do at least an hour to 45 minutes. That's it. I'm telling you, that's all you gotta do. And the products you need to be using, really, I feel like if you're a beginner, don't worry about products right now. You know what I'm saying? Don't really stress about products. Really just try to get your waves in because products don't get you waves. I don't know if they tell y'all that, but products don't get you waves now. What gets you waves is the brushing. The brushing is getting the waves. That's what getting your waves popping. You see, I just picked up my brush and I just started going crazy. I didn't put no products in. So really, it's not the products that's giving you the waves. Again, it's the brushes that you're using that's gonna get you your waves. Right? So we need to understand that first, especially if you're a beginner. All right? So let's make sure we do that. Second thing is, if you're a beginner, let's get us a good mirror. Get you a good brush, only $20, $30. You can get your pops, get your moms to buy you a brush and really get in the mirror and focus on your angles. Because a lot of people be like, man, my waves like this, and I want them to be like that. To get them like that, you got to get a brush, man. You got to get a good brush. A good brush. You really don't need a good mirror, but I suggest you get a big mirror like this so you can just see your whole head. You know what I'm saying? So really get you a good brush. Get you a good brush so you could lay down your hair properly. Especially if you're a coarse hair waver, you're gonna need a good brush because again, our hair is like super nappy sometimes. Like if you don't got, like if you got nappy close to coarse, maybe straight hair, then it's something like that. But me, I have like small curls. Like if I had my hair grow out, it would be small curls. But if I pick it out, the curls like loosen up and shit. You know what I'm saying? So really, you need to just get a good brush if you're a beginner. So, so the pomade, let's get into that because somebody asked about that. The pomade, I really wouldn't worry about a pomade. Again, I wouldn't worry about no pomade, man. And why I wouldn't worry about pomade? Because you're just trying to get your waves to come in. Once you get your waves to come in, man, all them products and oils and pomades, whatever stuff y'all use nowadays, you know, it's really gonna have you looking crazy. You gonna look, when I mean crazy, you gonna be popping. Like your shit gonna be looking nice. You gonna take off that rag and somebody gonna be like, damn, I want waves. Like it be like that sometimes, for real. When you really taking care of yourself, you know what I'm saying? It's like in life, they like, yo, this dude grinding, he working, I wanna follow him. You know what I'm saying? So it just takes a little bit of motivation just to get your stuff moving. So that's what it takes. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up. After I use this brush, I'm gonna speed it up, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more with the soft brush, and then I'm gonna call it a day. All right, fellas. The soft brush. If you're a beginner, you need a soft brush. The benefits of the soft brush is really helping you lay down your waves. I'm gonna give you some more tips on what you need to do consistently. If you laying down the crown and you're doing everything you gotta do, it really just, it makes everything come together. It shows, okay, I've been putting the work in, you know? So it just takes time. And the reason I use the Ziploc bag, the Ziploc bag is way better than the soft brush. The soft brush is really just, you can brush and still work on your waves, but you'll probably have to brush maybe 45 to 2 hours with the soft brush to really get some progress moving in it. So the reason for the Ziploc, it really helps lay down everything. After you hit the head with the hard, medium, and soft, the Ziploc bag just helps lay everything else down. And that's why I use it a lot. And y'all see I use it really after I use, after I put my products in, I usually use it. Because I like to have the products in there. And then after that, I just hit it with that the Ziploc bag. And we straight. We going, so. Yup, that's how it be. I don't have a haircut, but I'm about to get one on the 2nd of October. That's next week. So stay tuned for that. Probably gonna do a video recording my haircut. I'll just upload it with it too. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video. Let's get it. bread. I usually put this in after I put in my cocoa butter and my castor oil. I usually put that in. It really helps lay down your hair. It really do. Like, man, once you put the products in and then you hit your head with the Ziploc bag, bro, you're gonna be looking icy. I'm telling you. You do all the methods I'm doing right now, bro, you're gonna be looking icy, especially if you're a beginner. Like, your connections won't be on point just yet, but at least you can get flawless, like, you know, in your own way. All right, fellas, I'm about to speed it up. Let's get it. That's the end of the session, man. Before we leave this video, man, go ahead and hit that bell. Really want y'all to be notified about every video I'm posting. I'm uploading every other day now. Still trying to do every day, but I post every other day now. Hit that subscribe button and comment, man, because I'm really trying to help you boys. So let's get it, man. I'm trying to build a community, get y'all boys right. All right, man. Catch y'all later.